So I'm going to be showing you how we are going to create this lovely rainbow with a bunch of different lines. So what we need as our first to get started is a nice sheet of paper and a pencil. First thing we do is we write our name in the bottom corner. After that, we're going to start drawing some spirals for our clouds. So spirals go around and around. So you're just going to draw a bunch next to each other as fast as you can to make some big fluffy clouds. Do both on both sides. Spiral, spiral. Just add as many as you'd like to make it kind of look like a cloud. Awesome. Now this is when you can get your markers or crayons out. I'm going to get my markers out. So I'm going to start with my red. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw one big bump. All the way across. Then I'm going to use that same crayon or marker and I'm going to draw a bumpy line. So we're going to hop, 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 hop. Make sure it's really close to the other line. Next, I'm going to add one more red line that goes really close. Might have to move it. Notice that I moved the paper so I could finish my line. Yay! Now we have our red line done. The next color in the rainbow is orange. So I'm going to use my orange marker. Draw a line all the way across. You can pause, turn your paper. And then I'm going to draw a loopy line. This one's a little hard. It goes around and around like you're riding a roller coaster. I'm going to draw another line right next to it. Now we're going on to yellow. So you're going to find your yellow marker. Remember, always put the cap on the back. And we're going to draw wavy lines. I'm going to draw a line, my normal line, all the way down. Draw a wavy line. And do the same thing. All right. Our next line is green. So I'm going to find my green marker. And I'm going to draw my line right next to my yellow one. I'm going to add a zigzag line. We have two more colors to add. Next one will be blue. And that's going to be a dotted line. So I'm going to draw my lines again. Up and over. You can always fix the line. Draw a dotted line by doing a bunch of dots. Do that. Finish it off. And then we're going to do a purple, or the fancy word for purple in art class is violet. Use a violet. Do my bump, and we're going to draw some horizontal and vertical and diagonal lines. So I'm going to draw another line here. So we have a little spot for it. And I'm going to draw my lines. My little dashed lines. Fabulous. Now, my favorite thing to do is you can take a black marker or gray, whatever one you have, and I'm going to trace my spirals. So I'm going to go over my spirals and trace them with some black or gray. Either works fine. Whatever you have is great. Trace my spirals. These are just harder to draw. Take your time. I might need to add a couple more spirals. I'm going to draw a couple more spirals so my rainbow looks complete. The last step we're going to do is we're going to add some dashed lines. Add some dashed lines in the background just to give it a nice background. So drawing little lines, that's what dashed lines are, just little lines. And I'll go around my rainbow just to add a little bit of lines. Just makes the artwork look complete. Now, if you want to add some more details, you can take your crayons out and color in between like I did right here. But that's the completed artwork. I look forward to seeing these masterpieces. Goodbye, friends.